Good morning, Tulsa. This is Larry Walker here at the Farm Shopping Center in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa Insurance Group 918-298-0000. I posted a video, I don't know, yesterday I think it was, yesterday morning and let me just see if I can input it right here. Okay, now whose fault is that, and what kind of claim is that? Is that a collision claim, or would that be considered a comp claim? Let me tell you the difference between the two. Collision claim is going to be something that's determined to be at fault or not at fault, and it's when your vehicle collides with another stationary object or another vehicle that's moving down the road. Typically, a comp claim is going to be something that, if you hit a deer, for example, that's not a collision with another vehicle. It's an animal that came out in front of you, so it's considered a comp claim. And the weird thing about objects that are in the highway are it depends on really what the object in the highway is doing. Is it bouncing? Is it moving of some sort, like the video? The board obviously came out from under the truck and the trailer and into the windshield of the vehicle that were it's in question. That's a comp claim because that was not a stationary object that was in the road. Now, if that board had just been laying in the road and they had run over it and caused damage to their vehicle with it just laying there, then that's going to be considered a collision claim. It's not going to be considered a comp claim. However, if that object has bounced up off the road or fallen out of the vehicle in front of it, thrown by somebody, in other words, if that object is moving like that, it's a board or a rock or whatever it is, and that's considered a comp claim, and it does never count against you in terms of at fault or not at fault. And it's a claim that in this situation obviously needed to be filed and would not count against the customer. Got any questions? Give me a call. I'll be glad to answer them. Be glad to try to deal with you in any situation that you have. You don't have to be my customer. Certainly would love to have you here at the Tulsa Insurance Group. 918-298-0000. Have a blessed day and have a great weekend.